Welcome to Top Gears, your trusted destination for everything on 2 and 4 wheels. Today, we bring you a detailed and comprehensive look at one of the most anticipated premium scooters of the year, the Yamaha NMAX 155 2026. Known globally for blending sporty performance, premium comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the NMAX 155 returns for 2026 with refinements that make it even more desirable. This script takes an in-depth look at its design, performance, features, comfort, technology, safety, mileage, pricing expectations, and why it continues to dominate the premium scooter segment. Yamaha NMAX 155 2026 Global Reputation. The Yamaha NMAX series has earned a strong global reputation, especially in Asian and European markets. It is admired for its Maxi scooter stance, motorcycle-like performance, and everyday practicality. The 2026 model builds on this reputation by keeping the core strengths intact while improving efficiency, rider comfort, and modern connectivity. Yamaha's focus remains clear, delivering a scooter that feels premium, rides sporty, and stays practical for daily commuting and weekend rides alike. Design evolution and styling. The 2026 Yamaha NMAX 155 continues with its aggressive yet elegant design language. The sharp front apron, muscular body panels, and aerodynamic lines give the scooter a big bike presence. For 2026, Yamaha has refined the styling with smoother panel transitions and updated color schemes that enhance its premium appeal. The LED headlamp design remains bold and futuristic, with a wide stance that improves road presence. The sleek LED tail lamp and integrated indicators add to the modern aesthetics. The sculpted side panels and stepped seat design ensure the scooter looks sporty even when standing still. Overall, the NMAX 155 maintains a balance between aggression and sophistication, making it appealing to both young riders and mature commuters. Build quality and finish. Yamaha has always been known for excellent build quality, and the 2026 NMAX 155 continues this tradition. The plastics feel solid, paint quality is premium, and the fit and finish reflect Yamaha's global standards. The switchgear feels tactile and durable, while the panels are tightly assembled, reducing vibrations and rattles even at higher speeds. This high-quality construction gives confidence that the scooter can handle daily commuting, long rides, and varying road conditions without compromising durability. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha NMAX 155 2026 is the tried and tested 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine featuring Yamaha's VVA, variable valve actuation technology. This engine is designed to deliver a perfect balance between low-end efficiency and high-end performance. The engine produces strong torque in the lower and mid-range, making city riding effortless. Acceleration feels smooth and responsive, allowing riders to easily navigate traffic. On open roads, the scooter remains stable and confident, with enough power for overtaking and cruising. The 2026 model is expected to be more refined, with improved throttle response and reduced vibrations. Yamaha's focus on engine tuning ensures that the NMAX 155 feels engaging without being intimidating for new riders. Top speed and riding character. The Yamaha NMAX 155 is not just a commuter scooter, it has a sporty character. The expected top speed of around 120 to 125 km per hour makes it one of the quickest scooters in its class. This allows riders to comfortably cruise on highways and expressways without feeling underpowered. Despite its strong performance, the power delivery remains smooth and predictable, making it suitable for both daily use and spirited weekend rides. The scooter feels planted even at higher speeds, thanks to its solid chassis and well-tuned suspension. Fuel efficiency and mileage. One of the standout aspects of the NMAX 155 is its impressive balance between performance and efficiency. Despite being a powerful 155cc scooter, the 2026 model is expected to deliver a real-world mileage of around 40 to 45 km/h, depending on riding conditions. Yamaha's Blue Core technology plays a key role here, optimizing combustion efficiency while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. This makes the NMAX 155 an economical choice for riders who want performance without excessive running costs. Transmission and ride smoothness. The Yamaha NMAX 155 uses an automatic CVT gearbox, delivering seamless power delivery without manual gear shifting. The CVT is well tuned, providing smooth acceleration and minimal lag. This makes riding in traffic stress-free, especially during peak commuting hours. The scooter transitions effortlessly from low speeds to highway cruising, ensuring a relaxed and comfortable riding experience for both short and long distances. Suspension and handling. Handling is one of the strongest points of the Yamaha NMAX 155. The scooter features telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock setup, tuned for a balance between comfort and stability. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effectively, making it comfortable on rough city roads. At the same time, it remains firm enough to maintain stability during cornering and high-speed riding. The low center of gravity and well-distributed weight make the NMAX 155 easy to handle, even for less experienced riders. Braking and safety. Safety is a major priority in the 2026 Yamaha NMAX 155. The scooter comes equipped with disc brakes at both the front and rear, ensuring strong and consistent stopping power. A key highlight is the dual-channel ABS, which enhances rider confidence by preventing wheel lock-up during sudden braking. This feature is especially valuable during wet or slippery conditions, making the NMAX 155 a safer choice compared to many competitors. Wheels and tires. The NMAX 155 rides on large wheels fitted with wide tubeless tires, providing excellent road grip and stability. The tire setup ensures confidence during cornering and braking, while also improving ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The combination of wheel size, tire width, and chassis tuning contributes to the scooter's motorcycle-like riding feel. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is where the Yamaha NMAX 155 truly shines. The spacious seat, relaxed riding posture, and wide footboard make long rides comfortable. The stepped seat design provides good lower back support, reducing fatigue during extended journeys. The handlebar position is upright and natural, allowing easy control and relaxed shoulders. The seat height is accessible for a wide range of riders, making it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance touring. Practicality and storage. Despite its sporty nature, the NMAX 155 remains practical. The under-seat storage is spacious enough to accommodate a full-face helmet and additional items. This makes it ideal for daily errands and commuting. Additional storage compartments at the front provide space for small essentials like phones, wallets, or documents. The practicality factor ensures that the NMAX 155 is not just about looks and performance, but also everyday usability. Technology and instrument cluster. The 2026 Yamaha NMAX 155 features a modern digital instrument cluster that displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, trip meters, mileage, and engine indicators. The display is clear, easy to read, and visible in different lighting conditions. Higher variants are expected to include smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access notifications and ride data via a dedicated app. This adds a modern tech touch, appealing to younger and tech-savvy riders. Smart features and convenience. Convenience features play a big role in the appeal of the NMAX 155. The keyless ignition system adds ease of use and enhances security. A USB charging port ensures devices stay powered during long rides. These smart features make the scooter feel premium and aligned with modern rider expectations. Emission compliance and future readiness. The Yamaha NMAX 155 2026 is expected to meet the latest emission norms, making it environmentally responsible. Yamaha's efficient engine technology ensures lower emissions without compromising performance. This future-ready approach ensures that the scooter remains relevant for years to come, even as emission regulations become stricter. Expected price and market position. In the premium scooter segment, the Yamaha NMAX 155 positions itself above standard 125cc scooters. The expected price reflects its premium build quality, advanced features, and strong performance. While it may cost more than entry-level scooters, the value it offers in terms of power, safety, comfort, and technology justifies the price. The NMAX 155 competes directly with other high-end scooters, often outperforming them in overall refinement. Who should buy the Yamaha NMAX 155 2026? The Yamaha NMAX 155 is ideal for riders who want more than just basic transportation. It suits urban commuters looking for comfort and efficiency, as well as enthusiasts who enjoy sporty performance. It is also a great choice for riders upgrading from smaller scooters who want more power without switching to a motorcycle. Its versatility makes it appealing to a wide audience. Pros and highlights. The biggest strengths of the Yamaha NMAX 155 include its powerful and refined engine, premium build quality, excellent ride comfort, advanced safety features, and modern design. Its ability to handle city traffic and highway cruising with ease sets it apart from competitors. Things to consider. While the NMAX 155 offers excellent value, its premium pricing may not suit budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its size and weight might feel slightly bulky for riders used to smaller scooters. However, these are minor considerations when compared to its overall benefits. Final thoughts. The Yamaha NMAX 155 2026 continues to set benchmarks in the premium scooter segment. With its sporty performance, refined engine, premium comfort, advanced safety, and modern technology, it offers a complete package for today's riders. Whether you are commuting daily, planning weekend rides, or simply want a stylish and powerful scooter, the NMAX 155 delivers on all fronts. Yamaha has once again proven that scooters can be both practical and exciting. For more such detailed reviews and updates on the latest bikes and scooters, stay connected with Top Gears.